Hey everybody, welcome back. Here is the Do Now for today. This is a review of all the stuff we've been doing in class. Let's see if you remember. Oh my goodness. Let's look back in our notes in case we need to. Here it is. First one on the left. Follow the cursor. Mr. Irish has 12 girls for every 10 boys in the class. If one class has 24 girls, how many boys are in the class? Remember, set up your proportion. Girls across from girls, boys across from boys. What do you get? Go. Ooh, let's see. So I set on my paper here with the Do Now. And so 12 girls for 10 boys. Remember, it doesn't matter what's on the numerator and denominator as long as you're consistent. Girls across from girls, boys across from boys. And it said 24 girls. And so I'm looking for how many boys they would be. Okay, so one thing I can do is I can cross multiply. But I see something a little bit faster. You see 12 to 24. How do I get there? Oh, yeah, times 2. 12 times 2 is 24. So that's my numerator. And then 10 times 2 would be, 20. So 12 girls, 24 girls times 2, 10 boys, 20 boys. So the answer is 20. Got it. Okay, next one. What is half of 10? Go. Half of 10, obviously, is 5. Cool. All right, let's see. Are these fractions equivalent? 4/5 and 9/20. Remember cross products? All right, let's see. So the cross products have to be equal. So I'm going to do 9 times 5, or 5 times 9. That's 45. And then 4 times 20, which is 80. 45 does not equal 80, so these are not equivalent. See the way my paper looks? Your paper should look the same, so you have these to do next time if you got them wrong or didn't know how to do them. Okay, next one. -10 plus -2. Okay, so I wrote out a number line. I didn't have one, so I wrote it out like this with a big number line on my paper. So you start on -10 right here. So here's -10. And I go left 2, 1, 2. See how easy with the number line? And I'm at -12. Got it. Cool. Next one. -1 minus -4. Oh my goodness, what is that? Okay, let's see. -1 minus -4. Remember, we change this and we change the sign. We add the opposite. So it's -1 plus 4. -1 plus 4. So I start on -1. I'm using the same number line. And I go 4 to the right. 1, 2, 3, 4. 3. Got it. So you add the opposite. Start on -1. Move 4 to the right. There we go. Ooh, next one. Okay, let's see. 8 times -4. 8 times -4. Woo, no calculator. Do you know the times tables? Let's see. Yeah, 8 times 4 is 32. And a positive times a negative is a negative. -32. Got it. All right, keep it going. Number 7, simplify the fraction. Ooh, what can you divide the numerator and denominator by? Yeah. You can divide them by 4 because they're both in the forms timetables, right? 4, 8, 12, 16. So I can divide by 4 over 4. 12 divided by 4, or 4 times what is 12? That would be 3. 16 divided by 4 is 4. And if you were like, oh, you didn't see 4, you're like, oh, I know that 2, I can divide them by 2 because they're even. So that'd be 6 over 8. 12 divided by 2 is 6. 16 divided by 2 is 8. And you're like, oh, 6 over 8, you can divide by 2 over 2 again. 6 divided by 2 is 3. 8 divided by 2 is 4. There you go. 3/4. Next one, almost there. 24 divided by -3. Remember, that fraction bar is divided. 24 divided by -3. Let's see. Okay. 24 divided by -3. 24 divided by 3 is 8. A positive divided by a negative is a negative. There we go. All right. Next one. -10 plus -4. Ooh, what's that? So I'm at -10. And I'm going to go 4 to the left, -11, -12, -13, -14. Like if I owe $10 to one person and I owe $4 to another person, that means I owe 14 total dollars, right? Got it. All right, I'm gonna need more room, so I'm gonna go to my second page. Here we go. Next one. Bop, bop, bop. -6 plus 9. What's that? Use the number line. Go. All right. Let's see. -6 plus 9. So I start on -6, and I go 9 to the right. And when you count on the number line, you get 3. Awesome. All right. Last one before we do the popular phrase. Mr. Whitehead runs 2 miles in 15 minutes. If he runs for 45 minutes, how many miles would he run at the same rate? So this one's very similar to the boys and girls. Set it up the same way. Miles across from miles, minutes across from minutes. What do you get? Go! All right, let's see. Oh, okay. So Mr. Whitehead goes 2 miles in 15 minutes. So miles across from miles, minutes across from minutes. So 2 miles in 15 minutes. So how many miles? That'd be X miles in 45 minutes. Okay. So you can see this is times 3, but if you don't see it, that's okay. Let's do it this way. The cross products have to be equal, right? 15 times X is 15X. 45 times 2 is 90. There we go. So these two have to be the same. 15X has to equal 90. So whatever this is has to make this side equal 90. Okay, so the opposite of multiplication here is, division. And 90 divided by 15, you can use a calculator for that on your phone, is, 4. There we go, so X is 4. So, I'm sorry, 6, my bad. 6. That was silly, 6. So if he runs 2 miles in 15 minutes, he would run 6 miles in 45 minutes. There you go. Cool. Let's put the little label right there. Number 12. Ooh, popular phrase. What is it? Yeah, fill in the blank. Get it? The fill is in the blank, or fill in the blanks, because there's more than one. Yeah. Fill in the blanks. Got it. Nice job, everybody. Keep it going.